Can mommy talk? Please? Can I watch TV? Can I get on the phone? Please? Please? I know it's been like a whole 6 hours. I know. But please, can I just have a moment to myself? If I let you go? You know what? I don't know where that tongue's been. Really. I'm at a loss. Where's that tongue been all day? Huh? Yes? What? Doesn't your father give... What? Don't father give you any treat? What? Okay, good. We done? We good now? Did you get it out of your system? Okay. So you just want to snuggle bug? Okay, let's... Oh, you just regrouping? Luna? Oh, not the face smash! Oh!